In this video, you'll be taught how to update a map. First, we have to find the existing map that we would like to update. So this map has a really old design and we would like to make it look a bit more fresh. The first step will be editing the map image. So we select the file that contains the updated version and we save the updated image. So the image has been updated, but some of the elements are not within the same place anymore. Therefore, we have to define their new position and that of their badge. Therefore, we have to use the redraw element option. If we press this button, we have to specify the position of the left top and right bottom corner of the element so it will take its new position. If we confirm the position, we should take the same steps for its badge. I want the badge to be exactly a rectangle, so therefore I will specify its width and height and move the position of the badge around to center it. We will redraw all position of the elements and badges, and once we have done this, we can check whether the map has updated correctly. So we made all the changes, and if we press play current map, we can see what it looks like. And as you can see, all the elements seem to be working properly. This is all you need to know about updating a map. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.